Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and this is the one of the very important topic which we are going to discuss today. So I have a request to all, please watch the video till the end. So in today's video we are going to cover a very important topic from exam point of view for the student of TYBChem as well as for a NetSet student also. That is called Security and Exchange Board of India, or in short it is known as SEBI, Security and Exchange Board of India. Now what is SEBI? What is the function? When it started? Every information we are going to do. So you will get a good knowledge. Please watch the entire video. Now, formation. When SEBI started, so SEBI stabilized as a non-statutory board in a 1988. It means that when started it was a private, so it started as a non-statutory board in 1988. It became a statutory board, a legal backup we can say, and SEBI got a legal backup in 1992, and the power of SEBI has raised in Jan 1995. Afterward, headquarter. Where is the headquarter of SEBI? So SEBI headquarter is in Mumbai, and its regional offices are in New Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata, and Ahmedabad. Next is reason for formation of SEBI. Why the concept of SEBI has introduced? What was the reason? So as we know very well, in 1980s stock market started to flourish. Stock market started to expand, and it was a trending in the market. So as we know very well, when anything expands, some bad activity also take place. So as stock market started to flourish and when started to increase, there was also increases some malpractices means wrong practices, such as adherence, no adherence to rules and regulation. It means that breaking of rules and regulation of stock market. Price rigging means increase and decrease in prices of shares and instrument of a capital market. Afterward, unofficial self modulated merchant banker. The many brokers were there, many unofficial bankers and merchant bankers were there, those who were working in a capital market without any registration, and there were delayed in delivery issues. Suppose if I am the person who has invested in a capital market and now I want to convert my shares into cash, so it was a delayed in all the activity. So the many malpractices started. No one was following rules and regulation. Anyone increase and decreases in a price of shares. So many malpractices and many wrong things was going in a stock market. So to control that, the concept of SEBI has introduced by government. Next is before SEBI. Before SEBI, the capital market was administered by CCI, that is called Controller of Capital Issues. SEBI के पहले ये कैपिटल मार्केट को हैंडल करते थे. Next is structure of SEBI. What is the structure of SEBI? How many members are there? So SEBI has a 5 department, and each and every department headed by an executive director, and there are 2 advisory committee, those who deal with the primary market as well as secondary market. Primary market means the market which raise capital and where first time the securities are issued, and secondary market is a market where buying and selling of security take place which is already issued in the market. So 2 advisory committee of a SEBI, they deal with the primary as well as secondary market. In next video we will do detailed study about primary and secondary market. Next is the board consists. Now how many total members are there? So the number 1 is चेयरपर्सन अपॉइंटेड बाय यूनियन गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया. चेयरपर्सन जो होता है वो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट अपॉइंट करती है. देन आफ्टरवर्ड देयर आर 2 ऑफिशियल मेंबर विच अपॉइंटेड फ्रॉम ए यूनियन फाइनेंस मिनिस्ट्री. देन 1 ऑफिशियल मेंबर फ्रॉम RBI and 5 other member which is appointed by union government of India. So 1 chairperson, 2 official member, 1 official member from RBI and 5. So there are total 9 member consist in a SEBI. Next, What are the roles and objective of SEBI? So the number one is issues of security. As we know very well, there are many people who invest in a share market, and with the help of that we can raise fund for a medium and long term in the capital market. So SEBI provide them a very friendly, and we can say SEBI provide them an environment where they can find themselves protective and they can invest money. So in short we can say SEBI keep in a mind that the people, those who are investing in a capital market, they should not get any type of malpractices and fraud. Number two is the investor. As we know very well, capital market functions just because of a trader and investor. So SEBI protect them from any type of fraud and malpractices and take action against it. Number third is the financial intermediaries. See, as we know very well, financial intermediaries means middlemen. We can say dalal. So there are many brokers, sub broker, non-banking financial corporation. So they SEBI control them and SEBI maintain and monitor their activities. मतलब वो किस तरह से बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, किस तरह से लोगों का डील करवा रहे हैं, उनकी हर एक एक्टिविटी को कंट्रोल करने का काम SEBI करता है. सो द नंबर वन, जो इन्वेस्ट करा उनको अच्छे से एनवायरनमेंट प्रोवाइड करना, जो इन्वेस्टर है उनको प्रोटेक्ट करना, एंड जो ब्रोकर है उनको मॉनिटर करना. दीज आर द रोल्स एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ SEBI. Power. What are the powers of SEBI? SEBI has a three power: legislative, judicial and executive. Legislative means SEBI has a right to frame rules and regulation which can protect investor and keep them away from a fraud. Number two, judicial. SEBI has a right to pass any hearing and any judgment to fraud and malpractices. इसका मतलब है SEBI के पास जितना एक जज को राइट होता है उतना राइट होता है. इट मीन SEBI कैन पास एनी जजमेंट अगेंस्ट द फ्रॉड एंड माल प्रैक्टिसेस. नेक्स्ट इज एग्जीक्यूटिव. SEBI हैज़ अ राइट टू मेक इन्वेस्टिगेशन अगेंस्ट एनी वायलेशन. देन इट ऑल्सो हैज़ अ राइट टू आस्क फॉर द account book and account document to the person who is a suspective and the company who is a suspective. So these are the three powers of SEBI. Function. What are the functions of SEBI? SEBI performing various functions. The number one is a protective function. They are providing protection to the investor. So how they providing? They check price rigging. Price rigging means there should be no increase and decrease in a prices of securities without any logic and without any reason. So SEBI find out कि कौन से सिक्योरिटी का कितना प्राइस चल रहा है, किसी ने प्राइस बढ़ा तो नहीं दिया, किसी ने प्राइस कम तो नहीं कर दिया. Then prohibit inside trading. Inside trading means, as we know very well, there are many middlemen, those who are having the securities record and shares of other company. So जैसे तो सपोज कि एक ब्रोकर है, उसके पास एक कंपनी का सिक्योरिटीज़ और उसकी जो भी शेयर्स है उसका इन्फॉर्मेशन है, तो वो जो ब्रोकर है वो उस कंपनी के शेयर्स किसी और को ना बेच दे या किसी और को उस कंपनी के शेयर्स की इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं दे. ये चेक करने का काम किसका है? SEBI का है. सो SEBI प्रोहिबिट इनसाइड ट्रेडिंग. मतलब जैसे कि आई एम वर्किंग इन वन कंपनी और मुझे उस कंपनी के सारे शेयर्स एंड सिक्योरिटी के बारे में पता है, सो मैं किसी और को बेचकर कुछ ब्राइब ना कमाऊँ या कुछ पैसे ना कमाऊँ, ये चेक करने का काम SEBI का है. देन कीप अवे अनफेयर ट्रेड प्रैक्टिसेस. वॉट एवर रॉन्ग प्रैक्टिसेस आर देयर इन स्टॉक मार्केट, वो दूर करता है. Then update and educated investor. SEBI also update and educated investor about the new ideas, about the new changes in the capital market, new policies, new measures, etc. So this is the first function of SEBI. Next is regulatory function. Okay, SEBI framing rules and regulation, and they conduct that they also maintain the code of conduct so that market अच्छे से चल सके. मतलब रूल्स रेगुलेशन बनाना, किस तरह से मार्केट को हैंडल करना है, ये काम किसका है? SEBI का है. देन रेगुलेटिंग ओवरटेक ऑफ कंपनी. अगर कोई भी कंपनी हद से ज़्यादा सिक्योरिटीज़ या कोई इशू शेयर्स वगैरह इशू कर उनके प्राइसेस बढ़ाए, तो जो ओवरटेक कंपनीज है उनको रेगुलेट करने का काम SEBI का है. रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ मार्केट प्लेयर. दोज हु आर अ प्लेयर इन अ कैपिटल मार्केट, दोज हु आर अ मिडलमैन इंटरमीडिएट इन कैपिटल मार्केट, उनका रजिस्ट्रेशन है कि नहीं, ये चेक करने का काम किसका है? SEBI का है. नेक्स्ट इज डेवलपमेंटल फंक्शन. ओके, SEBI conduct and promote training program for intermediate. Suppose there is any changes in a capital market, any development wants to take place in a capital market. So SEBI has a right to conduct a training for all the intermediates, those who are working in a capital market. Then promote activities of stock market. SEBI also promote what are the activities going on in a stock market, what type of changes and measures took place in a stock market. हाँ मतलब किस तरह के चेंजेस किए गए हैं, कौन किस तरह के डेवलपमेंट चल रहे हैं स्टॉक मार्केट में, वो लोगों तक प्रमोट करने का काम किसका है, सेबी का है. देन कंडक्ट रेगुलर रिसर्च. SEBI also conduct research in a capital market, that how it's working, what type problems are there, how we can diagnose all the problems. So ये काम किसका है, SEBI का. So these are the function of SEBI. Now there are total 26 stock exchange market in India, and 7 exchange market are active, and remaining all granted exit by SEBI. Then there are two most popular stock exchange market in India are BSE, that is the Bombay Stock Exchange. It is the Asia's oldest and first stock exchange market, which stabilized in 1875. And next is NSE, that is the National Stock Exchange. It is the leading stock exchange of India. It is located in Mumbai, and it stabilized in 1992. Now basic information about SEBI. Recent chairperson of SEBI is Ajay Tyagi, that he is a IAS, and the website of SEBI is www.sebi.government.in. So please student, like and watch and share and subscribe my channel. I need your support to grow, and whatever videos I am sending, it's very useful from exam point of view as well as for knowledge point of view. And if you want to see all the videos of my channel, then you just write name Neetu Saad Nimbark on YouTube. You will get all the videos. I am preparing all the videos from 11 to till MCOM, and also giving online lecture. If anyone interested, just message me on YouTube. Thank you so much. Please watch, like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.